Hi students, I am Professor P.S. Bharani from KJ Somaya College. I heartily welcome to all students in FYBBA CA. Today we are discuss on the syllabus of FYBBA CA semester first. In the syllabus FYBBA CA semester first contains 7 subjects. One of the most important subject in syllabus is C programming. C programming is the base of all computer programming languages. The subject name is C programming, having course code is 103 and credit points 3. The syllabus of C programming is divided into 8 units. Now we will start the syllabus contents. The first unit in C programming, basic introduction to C language. In this unit, the contents are here: history of C language, basic structure of C programming, language fundamentals. In the language fundamentals, that is contains the character sets, tokens, keywords, identifiers, variables, and data types. This is one of the grammatical structure of C programming in this language fundamentals. Operators, type of operators, having operator precedence and associativity, and expressions in C languages. These are the basic introduction of C language. The next unit is here. The next unit, managing input-output operations. In programming, the important part is to get the input from the users and display the outputs to the users. And this is important topic in C programming. Here, in managing input-output operations, that contains console-based input-output related built-in input-output functions. The functions names are printf, scanf, getteach, getch, getchar, formatted input and formatted output. These are some contents in this unit 2. The next one, unit 3. In this unit 3, that the name is decision making and looping. The basic introduction of decision making and looping. The second part is decision making structures, and that contains if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, conditional operator, switch statement. 3.3, loop control structures, and in this loop control structure there are 3 loops: while loop, do while loop, for loop, and the one of the most is nested for loop. 3.4, that is the jumping statements. In the jumping statements, that use break keyword, continue keyword, go to keyword, and exit keyword. The next chapter is unit 4, programs through conditional and looping statements. In this chapter, all the programs. This is a programming chapter. The 4.1 is addition multiplications of 2 integers. 4.2, determining if a number is positive, negative, even or odd. 4.3, maximum of 2 numbers, 3 numbers. 4.4, to find the sum of n numbers. 4.5 that is integer division, 4.6 digit reversing, 4.7 table generation for n numbers, AB factorial, sine series, cosine series, LCR, Pascal triangle prime number, factors of numbers, other problems such as the perfect numbers, GCD of two numbers, etc. All are right algorithms and draw a flowchart of this unit number 4. This is a programming chapter. The next chapter, unit 5, that is array and string. In unit 5, that contains introduction to one-dimensional array, having definition, declaration, and initialization. 5.2, accessing and displaying array elements, finding smallest and largest number from array, reversing array, finding odd, even, prime numbers from array. 5.4, introduction to two-dimensional array, having definition, declaration, and initialization. These are the three important concepts. Accessing and displaying array elements. The 5.6, matrices, addition, multiplication, transpose, symmetry, upper and lower triangular. These are the operations on matrices. 5.7, introduction to string, having definition, declaration, and initialization. 5.6, 5.8, standard library functions. 5.9, implementation without standard library functions. The next chapter, the next chapter is unit 6, function. Introduction, purpose of function, function definition, function declaration, function call, types of functions, call by value, call by reference, and storage classes. These are some content in this unit 6. In the unit 7, introduction to pointer. The pointer definition, how to declare the pointer in declaration section, how to initialization, indirection operator and address of operators, pointer arithmetic, dynamic memory allocation, functions and pointers. The next topic is unit number 8, structures. Introduction to structure, definition, declaration, accessing members, structure operations, and nested structures. These are some concepts, these are some points in this unit number 8. All the 8 topics having difference with connected each other into a syllabus. These some reference books that are used. Let us see Yashwant Kanetkar, BPV publication, and NCC Balaguru Swami. These two reference books that are suggest in the syllabus, having many more books available for C programming. The complete reference of C programming, this is one of the important reference books. This is the overall structure of C programming syllabus. Now we will stop today's lecture. Stay home, safe home.